Welcome back to Toyota and Dodge Garage. Today I'm going to be doing the rear mud flap delete on the 4th Gen 4Runner Gen back here. Got some Ark Splash Guards, so I'll show you the process of just taking the factory ones off and replacing them with these new, cleaner style look mud flaps. Well, there's actually no mud flap. That's the point. And I'll tell you about the lift and tire setup I have as well towards the end of this video. So here's the Ark Splash Guards right here. Got a pair of them, so one for each side. And they did provide the hardware. I got that taken out of the bag. They also provide a sticker. Gotta have a sticker. Thank y'all for the sticker. You can scan that QR code if you'd like to get some for your own 4th Gen 4Runner. And it also tells you the installation tips by scanning that QR code. And here is all the hardware that they provide. And I have a DeWalt with a 10mm ready to get this job done quick. So we're gonna get on into it. Today I'm gonna be removing these mud flaps and we're gonna just take them off. So the new part I'm putting on will go here and it'll give it a nice cleaner look. So I'm gonna have to undo a couple of these bolts and some of the clips right there, and we'll put these Ark Splash Guards on to prevent any water and sediment collecting up back here to create a rust problem in the future. So we will get those on. 6 of these 10mm bolts. There's one here, one down there, and then one over here. Then you got this one, that's just a plastic clip. And then I got another one here, and one more where you can't see because I have my camera on the tire, but I'm gonna get these out, and then the mud flap should come off. So we got the mud flap loose here. And there's actually one more bolt under the bumper. So let me bring you over here. And it's right there. So I'm gonna get that off. And then this mud flap will be removed. We'll put the other one on. Alright, so the mud flap has been removed. And now you see why you don't want to leave it like this, because debris can collect up in here and start some rust issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the Ark Splash Guard on, and we will show you how to install that. Alright, so I got that on. They fit really nice. I like how it turned out. Very nice clean look. There's the bolt on the bottom right here. I will show you the other side, but let me show you where the bolts and screws go. Alright, so I'm going to show you where all the bolts provided go. Got your factory 10mm, another factory 10mm. They provide a new like plug plastic clip there. Factory 10mm. This one you're going to need the 1.5-inch 10mm with the spacer. Then you got a factory 10mm. Then you're going to need another 1.5 with the spacer. And then this, you're going to slide. This is under the bumper, like that bottom last bolt, kind of outside of the bumper. So this is going to bolt up under the bumper from the outside. And then you're going to need to slide this clip onto that, line up the holes. Then this is going to bolt into the bottom of the bumper to hold the bracket on. Then your mud flap here is you're gonna screw it to this with that right there, and that's where all the bolts go. So I'll hold this here if you want to pause it for a reference, but The instructions they provide here are very good and straightforward. So I'm gonna put this one on and we will be done. I'm not gonna really show you how to put it on because it's pretty simple. So here's the after with the splash guard on without the mud flap. And here is the car with the mud flap. So we're gonna get that one replaced now. So I got Nitto Terra Grappler G3 tires. They're a 285/70 R17. Alright, thank you for tuning in to another Toyota and Dodge garage video. If you do want some merch, let me know. I don't have anything yet, but I do have some I'll have a few shirts that I've made to wear, but just let me know if you are interested in like shirts or pins or stickers or something, and let me know in the comments, see what I can do for you. If you have any video requests on the 4Runner, the Corolla, Impala, the Lexus, or any of the Dodges, let us know and we'll see what we can do for you. Appreciate you tuning in. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Bye.